Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. And firstly we should open the application, because we can enable or disable ANC using the gesture in the application, but we cannot manage this mode using gesture. So open QCY app. Of course, your headphones should be connected with the application and should be turned on. Then go to the sound at the middle top. And right here we have ambient sound control. So enable ANC, as I said, using by just tap at this button or using gestures. And right here we have a lot of modes. So the first one is Active Noise Cancellation, and it will change ANC level, depends of your background. So just tap on it to enable it. Then we have Indoor, so we can change this level, and you can use this mode for quiet places, like in home or in the office, and you can increase or lower ANC level by just move to the right to increase it and to the left the slider to lower it. Then we have Commuting, and this mode is for transparent noises. So again we can or increase this level or lower it, it's up to you. Then we have Noisy, also we can change it, and this mode for crowded environment. And the last one is Active Wind Cancellation. So you can also use this one. We cannot change it, it already works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.